Have you ever felt an inexplicable connection with someone, a pull that goes beyond words and gestures? Welcome to the intriguing world of hidden sexual chemistry, a force that operates beneath the conscious level, shaping our interactions and relationships in ways we often fail to recognize. This invisible bond that sparks between two individuals isn't merely a product of physical attraction, though that indeed plays a vital role. It's a complex interplay of emotional compatibility, shared interests, and often an unspoken understanding that resonates on a deeper level. Sexual chemistry is a captivating phenomenon that impacts our relationships profoundly. It's the secret ingredient that keeps our bonds robust, our conversations vibrant, and our emotional landscapes rich and varied. Yet it often remains hidden, tucked away in the mysterious recesses of our subconscious. But why is that? The answer lies in the very nature of sexual chemistry itself. It's an instinctual response, an emotional reflex that transcends our conscious thought process. We don't decide to have chemistry with someone, it just happens. It's like a silent conversation between two souls, a dialogue that doesn't need words to convey its essence. But what factors contribute to this potent brew of attraction and connection? Physical attraction is undoubtedly a significant component. Our bodies respond to certain cues, certain traits that we find appealing in a potential partner. But it's not all about looks. Emotional compatibility plays a crucial role too. Shared interests, common values, and mutual respect form the bedrock of a strong sexual chemistry. When these elements align, they create a powerful magnetic pull that draws us towards each other. However, it's essential to remember that sexual chemistry isn't a guarantee of a successful relationship. It's a spark that can ignite the flame of love, but it requires nurturing and understanding to keep it burning. It can be a powerful force that brings people together, yet it can also create intense confusion if not handled with care. Sexual chemistry can be elusive, but it's a powerful force that can make or break relationships. So as we delve deeper into this fascinating topic, let's keep our minds open, our hearts receptive, and our spirits curious. After all, the journey of understanding is as exciting as the destination itself. So, how do you spot this hidden sexual chemistry? There are 7 telltale signs. Diving into the first sign, let's talk about intense eye contact. It's more than just a casual glance. This is the kind of eye contact that feels like a magnetic pull, making it hard for you to look away. It's a gaze that speaks volumes, hinting at a deeper connection between two individuals. The second sign to be mindful of is frequent touching. Now, we're not talking about accidental brushes or casual pats on the back. This is about intentional, lingering touches that seem to happen more frequently than usual. It could be a gentle touch on the arm during a conversation or a comforting hand on the shoulder. These are subtle gestures, but they're potent indicators of a brewing chemistry. Next, we have shared humor. When two people share a unique sense of humor, it's a strong sign of compatibility and mutual understanding. They laugh at the same jokes, they understand each other's sarcasm, and they find humor in the same situations. It's like they're on the same wavelength, creating a bond that goes beyond mere friendship. The fourth sign is feeling comfortable in each other's presence. There's a certain ease and familiarity when they're together. Conversations flow seamlessly, silences aren't awkward, and they can be themselves without fear of judgment. It's as if they're in their own little world, oblivious to the chaos around them. These signs might seem simple, but they can reveal a lot about the underlying chemistry between two people. Remember, sexual chemistry is more than just physical attraction. It's a complex interplay of emotional connection, mutual understanding, and shared experiences. And these signs, they're like breadcrumbs leading you towards that undeniable fact. So the next time you find yourself wondering if there's something more between you and a friend, look out for these signs. They might just reveal the hidden chemistry that's been there all along. These signs might seem simple, but they can reveal a lot about the underlying chemistry between two people. The language of attraction is subtle, often going unnoticed. Let's delve into the remaining 3 signs. Our 6th sign of hidden sexual chemistry is intense conversations. These aren't your run-of-the-mill small talk exchanges. We're speaking about exchanges that delve into the depths of your dreams, fears, and aspirations. When two people are attracted to each other, they thirst for a deeper understanding of one another. They become engrossed in their conversations, losing track of time. It's as if the world around them fades into the background, and they're the only two people existing in that moment. Next, we arrive at our seventh sign, a sense of familiarity, or as some might call it, déjà vu. Have you ever met someone for the first time and yet it feels as if you've known them for years? It's as though you can predict their reactions, understand their quirks, and even finish their sentences. This sense of familiarity doesn't stem from past encounters, but rather from a deep, unconscious attraction. It's an uncanny sensation that often leaves us puzzled, yet intrigued. Finally, our last sign is mutual respect. Respect is the cornerstone of any relationship, but it takes on a new dimension when there's hidden sexual chemistry. This respect is reflected in how they value each other's opinions, listen attentively when the other speaks, and show genuine admiration for each other's accomplishments. It's not about agreeing on everything, but rather understanding and appreciating each other's perspectives. These signs, when combined, can be a powerful indicator of hidden sexual chemistry. It's a dance of the subconscious, a silent dialogue that occurs beneath the surface. While these signs may not always lead to a romantic relationship, they certainly make it clear that a unique bond exists. And who knows, it might just be the start of an exciting journey filled with passion, connection, and deep understanding. The language of attraction is subtle, often going unnoticed. Let's delve into the remaining three signs. Understanding sexual chemistry can enhance your relationships and help you connect with others on a deeper level. It's an invisible force, a silent language of attraction that pulls two people together. But what happens when we start to recognize and understand this chemistry? What changes? Well, for starters, we gain a greater sense of self-awareness and insight into our behaviors and feelings. We become more attuned to the unspoken signals we send and receive, fostering a more profound connection with those around us. Recognizing sexual chemistry also allows us to communicate more effectively, as we can better interpret the verbal and non-verbal cues of others. Moreover, acknowledging this chemistry can strengthen our connections. It's like finding the missing piece of a puzzle, allowing us to see the bigger picture and appreciate the intricate patterns of human interaction. It can make our relationships richer, more fulfilling, and more meaningful. So, have you spotted these signs in your relationships? Does this new understanding of sexual chemistry change the way you perceive your interactions?